how to receive same calls on two iPhones at the same time. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sync phone calls on two iPhones. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is you'll need to make sure that you are connected to the very same Wi-Fi network. Make sure both of your devices are on the same network. And after you've done that, make sure that both of your devices also have the same Apple ID. So you can check that by going to your settings and tapping on your username on the top here and checking for your Apple ID. After you do that, then you can move on with this. So when you have the same Apple ID, make sure that your main device, which has a SIM card, you can just head over to your apps section on the bottom of your settings, then search for the phone app, tap on phone, and on your phone, you can then scroll down. After you scroll down, there you will find an option that says something like this called calls on other devices. And what you'll need to do is you'll need to press on that, and after you do that, you'll need to make sure that you press on this allow on other devices. After you do that, you'll find how many other devices you're connected to. And then you can enable each and every other device if you want to. And doing that, you will now be able to receive same calls on two iPhones at the same time. And that's basically how you can do this. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.